Hello, welcome back to Froggy Ray Creations. My bad. I'm Andy, and I am on with a follow-up video. I had my BFF mystery swap box and Happy Mail Goodie Hopping to See You box from Alyson, and inside of there she included a little goodie thing for my son who just got home from school, so he's gonna come over and he's going to help, well, unwrap it for himself, but you know, he's my little helper. So anyways, Mr. X is going to join the show. Okay, we don't need all these things.
Yeah, I'll put him right here.
Okay. So he just got home from school.
Gonna open this stuff. Gonna open this stuff. Axolotls. Where is
For
it?
Mr. X.
For Mr. X.
So sticky note.
Thank you, Alyson.
Look at that mini. You have to share a green one with me.
I will.
Oh, thank you. I don't feel bad. I'm just joking.
He has a hat.
I know. That's from Alyson.
Yeah.
Because he's a cowboy.
And then we have my own 10-color pen. And it's scented.
Oh, very cool.
Yeah. Thank you.
You want me to open it?
Yeah.
And then you can smell all the flavors.
The flavor.
Scents.
I'll try not to eat it.
Yeah.
Money! Look!
Yeah.
I'm rich now.
$1 million. Look at you.
Let's go.
Oh, look. I think that's oh, it's not a sticker, but there you go.
Thanks for $1 million. Let's try these.
Here, let me get you a paper to try them on. Oh.
Okay. Just hope the paper doesn't eat it too.
What do you mean eat it?
Paper. Oh.
Yeah, they gotta get the ink flowing. Let's see. That doesn't smell like
Anything.
I don't know, it kind of has a faint scent. I wonder, here, look, I bet if you push this down,
Ah!
there you go. Most of those pens are like that.
And
You're just drawing hearts.
yeah.
Here, I wonder though, let's do a squiggle so we can get a little bit more ink and see. Oh, it does smell.
Doesn't smell good necessarily.
It's like a hint of good, but then it has like the smell of pen. Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
Very cool. Thank you, Alyson.
Thank you. Our dog is having a crash. Oh wait,
Silly.
I forgot to.
You did red. Oh, you want to smell it? Is that one better? Oh yeah, that one is a lot better.
Yeah.
That smells good.
I would normally do for the green. I don't know if I'm doing this right.
You're doing it so tiny and the pen's not working very well, but yeah, it looks like a frog. Very cute.
Ears.
They don't have ears. What are you doing? Look. Well, they do. I guess they're little dots. Okay.
And we have a dark green and orange.
Yep, just a couple more. Tan. Smelly colors.
Oh.
Yeah, this one, yeah, you might have to, here.
The green
That's why I was
crash.
saying, like, try to give it a good smell that one. Smells like green apple or something. Not really. I don't know. It smells funky. Now you got purple.
Purple. Last one.
Yeah.
And then we
Make
gotta
it
look
fancy.
at these.
Mm-hmm.
Taste test that. Ooh, this one works well.
Mm-hmm.
Smiley face.
Yeah, let's see. Ooh, that one smells like grape.
That one smells good.
That one and the red one smell the best, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now for these guys.
Do you need help?
Maybe. I might be able to do this.
Okay. You try. You can also
Oh, scissors.
just cut the plastic right there.
Oh, I think there might be a way to, like, open and close it.
Well, I don't know. I don't think it's open and closable. No.
Okay.
You just have to pull harder. Oh, we left a staple. We can save this because it came in the packaging and I can use it for my BFF mystery swap.
There you go.
I guess that too.
Oh, the bag.
Oh, I meant, yeah, that also. But anyway, oh, careful. Oh my gosh, look how cute. I don't know if I'm in camera.
Which one are you showing?
The blue one. Oh, and
Orange.
yeah. Ah. He's so cute.
And then the OG pink.
Yeah, that's the... Oh, there's a different color pink, too. It's like a...
Light pink.
Yeah, look, see that? There's
And
the
then
real deal.
The white.
Oh, yeah. It's like a light blue, almost.
You gotta do the green.
Oh, okay. That's one of the ones I'm gonna steal from you.
I know. And then we show them all I want. All these guys.
All right. I'll put them back in here for you.
Get ready.
Actually, let's put them in this thing. Very cool. Very nice of her, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Taste
Here you
test.
go.
No, thank you. You know I don't do chocolate latte. How is it? Delicious?
One more bite.
One more bite? Don't eat a whole lot of it. You gotta eat food. Is it good? We can say it.
Mr. X approves.
Mr. X approves. Okay. Very cool. And what a fun wrapper. $1 million.
You could use that.
All right. We're going to love you, leave ya. Thank you so much, Alyson.
Bob says bye.
Okay. So we'll love you and leave you, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Thank you.